how to add and edit homework for pupils. We go to Manage Pupil Area, Add or Edit a Homework Item. Here you can see the list of all the homework that is on School Spider. If we click Add a New Piece of Homework, if you want to give it a title, you can then select what lesson this was for. You can also then relate the homework to a class. You can also give it a due date. In the content box, you can then ask questions. And then tick active at the bottom and save and add download files. If you click the homework files here, you can then pick the homework and it will then say it's been successfully uploaded. Again at the bottom, just save all details. Once the pupil has logged in, they will then see the homework set here, so click View. You can then see the homework here, so they can download it here and upload their homework there. You can also post replies here. They can also add an image, add a file and add a YouTube video. Once the pupil has uploaded their homework, if you click on the blue plus, it will then be listed here.